Lisa from Mommy Kid Power. We got the kids on the steps, and the husband is going by with the snowblower. That's quite a snow that we got. Makes it lots of fun. Maybe not so much until we get it all dug out, because it is pretty tiring to get it cleaned up. But it makes it fun while we're cleaning. I guess I can't say too much about how tiring it is because I'm not out there. I'm inside waiting for them to come in and out to get some new mittens, some new hats when they get too wet. Hopefully you guys in your areas, whoever has snow, is enjoying it and having some fun with whatever sport you want to do out in the snow. And if you have no snow in your areas, enjoy what either sunshine, or if it is raining in your area, you can find a lot of things to do too indoors on rainy days, and also you can go play in the puddles on rainy days. So there's a lot of things you can do as well. So have fun, and by all means, like us, subscribe, and let me know what you found that you can do interesting in whatever weather that you have. Bye-bye.